Hello, this is April with Serving Heart Spa Circle, and
Wendy Breeze.
we are your leaders here, and we're excited to welcome you to Lemongrass Spa. And just to let you know, you're going to be getting this gorgeous box very soon with your advanced skincare set. So we're going to open this up, and I just love how they package it so beautifully. You'll get this little sticker on top as well when you open it. And we are going to see what all you are going to receive in this beautiful package. Now, all of your training for how to use your products are going to be in an app called Lemongrass Central. So you can learn all about that even before you get your products. So you have your cleansing milk, your vitamin C serum. I was hoping those would show up there. You have a probiotic eye gel and a botanical face cream. And what else do we have here? A collagen eye cream. And we have a rose water face mist. They package everything so carefully for you so that nothing breaks. We also have a microdermabrasion cream, a firming face cream. Here we go. Is that upside down? If I get it right side up, firming face cream. You're also going to get this super cute headband. It's a cotton headband. I'm going to tell you what you can do with that in just a moment. And then you're also going to get a bag full of lots of travel size items. So when you get this kit and you open everything, by the way, you're going to get business supplies too. So you're going to get a pack of catalogs. You'll have a packing slip so you can make sure you got all of your goodies with your kit. Some order forms, and in this last package you're going to get these other flyers you can use to advertise your business, but this pack right here is so important for you. This has your welcome to Lemongrass Spa. This is very, very important information you don't want to miss, and we will be in touch with you to make sure you understand everything in this packet. A flyer for our upcoming incentive trip, and then this has your product guide. And so this tells you everything you need to know about the products. But what I love about this is that it has all 5 business kits. So you can learn about all of the products in all 5 of the business kits to be able to share with potential customers. And then your new consultant training guide has all of the information you need to get started. So make sure you read them a couple times. I like to see the edges all wrinkled up there because you read them so many times. So once you get this kit and you're like, okay, great, I've got all these products, I've read my guide, I know what to do, I know how to use them and what they're good for, and now what am I going to do with it? So Wendy, what would you do with all of these goodies? What would be your go-to way to share these with customers?
First of all, my customers. First of all, I get really comfortable with them myself, just make sure I've tried them.
Yes.
And then I go and find the people that I know are just going to fall in love with them as much as I have, whether it's one-on-one, whether I find somebody who would love to invite a few friends over and enjoy them together. I also sometimes will give them as gifts for that husband that's like, oh my goodness, my wife's birthday's tomorrow and I forgot. So I have something on hand to share with them so they're not in the hot spot. There's just so many. Your imagination can go wild.
Yes. So I do also love to use these. So many of these come in pumps, but you can also get little spatulas for the ones that don't. So this is excellent to actually let people try the products one-on-one in a party setting, at a vendor show, however you could get people to actually feel and try the products. And I do love your idea of gifts, because you can also give these as hostess thank yous, or maybe a giveaway at an event, or maybe you're doing an online event and you want to do prizes. These are simple to mail out or to do giveaways virtually or in person. So if you're doing a virtual business or a social selling business, of course, you can video yourself or take pictures of yourself actually using these products and put those on social media. No matter what platform you're using, it works. And how cute will you be doing your facial in your videos with this adorable little headband? So those are a few ways for you to get your business started and to start making money right away.
Have fun.